Curb alert, push more find that I found off Marketplace. Lady made a post. I'm gonna post it right here. She said the pull string broke on it, but before that it ran just fine. All right, as you can tell, the pull string is messed up. There's no recoil action going on, nothing. It's messed up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna take this thing off. She got it wrapped up here. Let's take it off. The starter itself, got that off. All right, and this is my apparatus. It's a drill with a ratcheting piece right here. You can drill, but when it kicks back, it'll turn instead of messing up your wrist. Now you can't use a drill on these starters without this ratcheting device. Tell you straight up, don't do it. You will hurt your wrist. So let's see what it'll do. It looks like about a 20 millimeter. I got a 21 on here. It should work for our purposes. So let's hold down the throttle and see what we got. Ah, yeah. Look at that. Oh man. Oh man, this bad boy works. Let's see if the self-propel works. Oh, self-propel is going. Oh man. Oh man. Look at that. Free push more off of Marketplace. Can't beat it, man. Can't beat it with a stick.